wanna do it to me. Shooter, Drew a killer, gotta prove it to me. Fuck around with dog, we don't fuck around with law. Get that pack in, or we just get that back in, no shorts. He on my end, them niggas gotta tap in, no choice. Wanna dance like scuba 40 making.
Alright, so hey DNA gang, I'm back here. You see, it's only me this time. I'm about to prank Angel. Alright, so I'm about to do a hunk at this car. I'm on my way to Dollar Tree now. Stay tuned, y'all. Hey DNA gang, guess what I'm finna do? Guess what's in my cup? I'm about to prank Angel, y'all. I'm about to prank her. She always pranking me, but off camera. But I'm about to prank her. So you see what's going on. I got this, and I got some paper. So you see, she's on her way to come pick me up. So I'm about to do the hunk at my car prank on her. So I want to see how this goes, cause y'all know she got some road rage, and I want to see how this goes. So let's get into it. We'll show y'all when it's done. Hey, DNA gang! Hey, we back with another video. We vlogging. Not so loud. We gonna get copyrighted. Okay. Wait, my rainbows. Rainbows is. Bitch, you better not. Move over. Go over here. Lip. Girl, I like your glasses. Show the camera.
Oh, so
Hold on, be quiet. Hold on.
these are bills.
Hello?
I got them from Amazon Prime.
Why? Damn, why did, oh shit. Damn. Dang. Oh, alright, bye.
Bitch, who are you honking at,
Bro, oh my god.
My brother.
Yeah, we can. Yeah. Man. I don't know what he was hunking for. What was that?
Because I was gonna get it.
Bro, I don't know.
Catch a case real quick.
For real. Hey. Big old tree. I make a wait for the club.
I look so tall and big.
What is he doing? Let me
But I'm
keep my
really
fucking
just a
distance.
5'1".
Yeah, just
Bitch,
go
you
a
was
little
not no
bit.
damn 5'1".
I'm 5'2".
You was not able to.
Pop it, pop it, pop it.
What is that? Your shit is broken.
Oh my god.
Broke, man.
Oh my god. Why that look like a laser tag?
Fix it.
Nobody know. We need some vlogs, you feel me? We out here. So how y'all been? Are y'all good?
No,
Oh my Jesus.
when do you start school, Barry?
August 28th. Ooh. I know.
It's even worse than us.
Really?
August 28th?
Bro.
Dang, your summer's almost over.
Shut the fuck up, because we
We'll be back like 6 days later.
Bro.
Fix it!
I know. Damn. Bro, what the heck?
Who are you honking at?
He said you taking all day.
Bitch, what you want me to do? Where you want me to go? Now you're not finna go nowhere. Nope, you ain't going nowhere. Now what?
Stop, you gonna get that
Bitch!
Damn, control herself, big ass car. You not get off the fucking Oh my god.
Man, make me cry.
Girl, y'all driving terrible there. Everybody, oh girl.
Bro,
Turned into an alley. You were supposed to turn right on the road. This bitch turned into an alley.
Oh my god, y'all funny. I can't, bro. Y'all is too funny.
I gotta get
You go beat, you go catch these ass.
Bro,
We were in the library chasing the cars on the floor, and this lady was like that at me.
what the heck? I know, that would have been lit.
Somebody had to break them both.
My bun is twisted because I was running and she's
Somebody
trying
had
to
break
hurry
them
up.
both. Bitch, you shouldn't be breaking shit.
Slow down. So, girl, you girl,
Angel,
let's be
hand me your phone so I
red.
can play
It was
song.
about to be, it wasn't though.
Hand me your phone so I can play song.
No, don't do that.
Oh, okay, I thought, here, I'll play a song then.
Jesus Christ, don't do that. She's supposed to have some ass stuff. Jesus Christ, her generation doesn't know what music is.
Angel, we literally you
Back in the old
You
days.
listen to my you listen.
Back
to my
in the
song.
old days.
Back in the old days, nothing.
Only 3
I
people.
might just. You play this,
Yeah.
bro. This is my song, bro. Turn it up a little.
We don't want to get copyrighted.
Yeah, turn it on low.
All right. Stop! Ain't you play so much?
Oh really?
Are we going to Rainbow?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm just playing it, aren't we?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Chop it.
Then make a left up here.
I'll follow with a police.
Go on this middle lane.
Damn, that's right.
Sorry.
Angel, why would you say sorry? What'd you do? I'm like, what did you do?
I go. No. Oh, you gotta chill.
Look. He said I gotta get home.
Bro, why I got raid? That makes some damn girl stuff.
Gotta get your number.
You damn near yelled at me.
Yeah.
I'm returning. I'm gonna turn it.
Dude.
I was touching her tonsils.
We gotta hurry up.
Yeah, we need to get that tripod, like a tripod, man.
Or you can just duct tape it to the window.
Man, that'd be great.
Can I scoot up?
No, you can't. This is not one of those ones that got a middle light.
This making me itch.
Man, I bet it make you itch. What don't make you itch? You could go.
I can go.
Yeah, you better put the gas on it.
Bro, you don't have to turn the quarters this hard, bro.
Go!
Chill.
Chill.
Stop, Audie, I'm not getting a ticket for you. I'm not.
Shut up before I slap you.
I will kill you.
Adriana said how am I
won't.
No, little boy, you play games. Man, get off my phone.
I had to. Y'all, this is driving with us, man.
It's crazier sometimes.
Bro.
It's not crazy because I'm here, because Angel's boring. That child got a little hype. She's boring, bro. She won't even let me put my hand up the window. Ow!
They shy will let me throw napkins out of her.
So what?
Okay, do you think I want a ticket? Because who gonna have to pay for it at
They
the
don't
end of
say
the
he
day?
lives in your house, though.
No.
As much as you're mentioning, I'm keeping that in there too. I think you
Yeah.
should.
Yeah.
Yes, please do.
Man, I can't wait to add it. I
can't
I'm gonna put a thing on there. How many times she's like, ding,
I want my bracelet
Sit back, bitch.
back. I spent $3 on you, nigga. I want that shit back. Give me that
Can
bracelet
I go?
back.
What do I do?
No, stop. This is a four-way stop. Whoever came first, gotta get.
What shit
So
is this? Right?
you
Go out
go.
the
You
way.
go
You
after.
trying to
You
murder
go.
us or
Go. Yeah,
something?
make a left.
Oh my god.
Angel. Bro, I just said make a left. That's the shit. Bro, make a left up here, bro. Broski,
You
bro.
have to turn them corner line, man.
Okay. You want me to turn them fast?
No, I'm getting out the car with you, man. You was reckless.
I'm gonna hit this Jeep. I'm gonna hit him.
Stop, girl, you gotta scoot over. You
Girl, wasn't over to scoot over.
Help me, Jesus.
Yeah, we need some holy water.
For real.
There's water.
I gotta get home. We jumping.
Make a left.
That's how you know this neighborhood?
I don't. I just know.
Okay, turn that off real quick.
You was with her, couldn't give her no dick.
No, turn.
No.
Okay, which way?
Make a right.
Okay, I literally went in that block for
Yeah,
one.
I told you make a left. You would have kept this down this way.
Oh, you ain't
But make a right up here.
right here.
At this light.
Where do you?
I said do it. That thing. Shoot it. What? What? They show you what? Make a. You see how this car is about to make a right? You
Yeah,
gonna
you
say.
gotta turn this way.
Yeah, not
Follow the
straight.
Said that she gon' twerk for it. Hell no,
Lazy bitch, hit the road, work for it, drop off for it, and I showed up, pop up, back.
Where I go now?
Keep straight.
Oh, we finna pass go to crowd.
Yeah.
You guys never took
It's a
that was annoying. I was straight. Bro, who's the big ass car?
That's how that bitch sis. We need to chill.
Not so much money.
You got money? What?
You left your car at the library.
Yeah, no. Go on the left lane. No, heck you no.
Walking back.
Oh, heck you no.
You walking back.
Oh, heck you no.
You walking back.
You walking back.
honestly, y'all, today has not been a good day for me.
Why not?
I'm just sick of this weather. People are so.
Bro, you might as well wait for the next
I
one.
am waiting for it, but I could have went.
Yeah, you sure could have.
Cars should not be this. Look, he got his McDonald's. He said, I'm happy.
I
bad
remember
boo.
McDonald's and Tom Hortons some bad memories.
Excuse me.
You know what I mean, Deshae?
No.
Remember we took every time one park and I was being stuck up?
What? Oh, that one?
Yeah, we
The
went
colorful
to
one?
McDonald's and they was looking.
I don't remember
My
McDonald's.
first time meeting.
Man, we always going to McDonald's.
Yeah, I wish that never happened.
Oh, heck no.
Can you see Barry?
You want to be in our vlog?
Yes.
No. Alright.
Baba.
Can I comb your hair?
I say
my
hair. I
jewelry.
say curl.
Huh? What I say
I say
jewelry?
it like that.
Jewelry.
I get so lazy. I have to be like jewelry.
Jewelry.
That's how people
Jewelry. How much is this jewelry?
Like, look at
Whoa!
oh, go.
You're funny.
Girl, you could have been with. Y'all can go? Yes.
Are you sure?
No,
Really? Really, though?
You could go
Got
out.
her license a while back.
Why can't you turn off me mad?
Look at his eyes. I believe more in.
There's nobody on red.
Girl, you know how many people I love
Ding.
Y'all keep laughing like there's something funny.
With it.
Eat it.
Silly bitch.
That's not the
Can I
white-
go?
That's not
No,
the white
sis, it's not green. It's red.
people. Angel, what?
What?
Did you ever realize?
You realize that I really don't care.
Ooh.
Accurate.
Bro, somebody just honked at you, bro.
I heard that too.
We found out.
Bro.
What'd you go do?
You doing that raw shit. Now because your fucking car cricket, you all in their leg.
Oh, for real?
No, you can't go there. Don't go up.
Get from the driver's seat. Let me draw the beat. Get on the driver's seat. Go hop in the back, you backseat driver.
All right, bitch, you want me to hop in the back right now?
Give me my dollar. I want to go to
Bitch, that's not
McDonald's.
your dollar. That's my dollar now.
No, Dish, I can't me that dollar.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want McDonald's.
Bitch, that's my dollar. Don't give me
I want to
no
say
Wait.
question.
Yeah, you gotta wait. You could have waited
Why
after
did I
that.
change this girl name? This girl
Why
is
didn't
my
you
best
tell
friend.
me?
I love him.
Yeah, let
It's
me
like,
see.
no, I don't.
My nigga, it's cold. It is a little snippy. Oh, man, it's raining. Stop!
That's how you be. You be like,
I'll tell you when to go. Don't go
I'll
yet.
go.
No, it's still red.
I'm not done.
Hold on.
Yeah, someone can come flying across.
You gotta
the
wait.
Oh my
Man, you
Speak up
gotta
now.
wait. Yeah, you just gotta wait. I'll tell you when to go.
Because this girl, I tried to this girl's so stupid.
This takes too much longer. Yeah, I can't.
To go. Oh, dang, wait.
Oh my! Nope, I'm not doing it. Shit, are you crazy? Why is there a light? Who is coming through here?
It should be a left light there.
Yeah, who the hell is coming through?
I don't see nobody.
I really like who is coming back and forth here.
Sis,
If this light doesn't hurry up, I'm throwing my shoe at it.
Man, to make it. If it hurry up and turn green, these two cars could pass and you could.
Yep,
all right.
but a car is coming.
Where? Go.
Sorry?
Angel, bro,
You
don't
gonna
hit the
go
corner
slow.
fast.
Ooh,
That car, I'll be flying straight off the knees.
girl, calm down.
Angel, stop, bro. You play too much. This
You
is why-
really do.
Ooh, this is why I'm so glad we're stepsisters, bro. This is why I'm so
Stepsisters.
yes, bro.
That happened.
Yeah.
Let me know.
I
I was a baby.
Whose kid is that?
For real.
No, another
That's how he probably is in the car.
I heard that. Yeah, I was about to. She funny. Bro, what she It was a prank. I pranked this. Oh my God! Yo, she
going on her car.
I could have saw that one.
Hey,
Did she know?
Team,
Did you know?
in the cop?
No, I was finna test her real quick because she ran right past. I was like,
But y'all,
You idiot, bro. I hate
that
you
was a
bitches.
success, man. We got about like 4 honks. Her reaction was funny.
What the fuck is
Bro, was that the first
Think
time?
about yourself, why she keep saying that? You keep saying they're honking at you. I'm like, bitch, okay.
Was that funny? Was that funny?
Damn, I can hear.
Was that funny?
No, turn it off now.
Y'all, she's salty right now, but they shall coming back better. Bye, y'all!
Fuck around with law, get that pack in, or we just get that back in, no shorts. He on my end, them niggas gotta tap in, no choice. Wanna dance like scuba.